All right, guys, I have another great option for the Mopar fans out there. We just got a whole bunch of these in stock. This is a 5.7-liter Hemi, 2014, all the way up until 2022. This is a brand new unit built by Chrysler, backed by our warranty. That means you get the 3, 5, 7-year warranty options. You also have the option for the powertrain pure care. This is a brand new unit, 0 miles on it. This comes as a long block, so it's the block, the heads, the timing components, full set of gaskets and the oil pump. And then of course we have the option for you to add on the install kit, which would come with all of your accessories, oil, air, fuel filters. There's more information about that all over our website if you're interested in specifics. We also have all of the financing options available for this. Pay tomorrow, Affirm, PayPal credit, PayPal, you name it. You can do it online or over the phone. This specific unit is with VCT, with MDS. We do also have the EGR and the non-EGR versions available. So give us a call if you need one.